Hello guys, this is AppWiz, and welcome back to another quick and helpful tutorial. If you're using Instagram and want more control over your privacy, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to block or unblock someone on Instagram step by step. Whether you're dealing with unwanted users or simply want to manage your blocked list, this method is simple and takes only a few moments. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store, and in the search bar, type Instagram. Here, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Once you've confirmed that the app is updated, tap on Open. After that, go to your profile, then tap on the three white lines in the top right corner of your screen. From here, scroll down and tap on Blocked. Now you can see the list of users you've blocked. You can simply unblock anyone from here. And if you want to block someone new, just tap on the plus icon and start blocking. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.